All right, sixth graders. Hopefully we were able to put away our highlighters by placing the lids on them and walking them to the bin. We'd like for these to last for more than the first month of school. All right, we are on the third page. So you should have solfege all the way to the bottom of this page. And if you look, this page says it's page 80 because it came out of a book, but it's really the third page. Make sure that you're with measure 25, all that good stuff. I'm going to zoom in. We're up here at the top. Sopranos are part 1. My friends by the sink or the door, you're singing so, so, so. Altos, you are singing do, re, ti. All right. Now, we're going on. You'll notice that everyone is now up here singing. The previous note in part 1 was a so, and it looks like this is just the line above it. Everyone, what's the note right above so? Hopefully you answered la. This is la. As we go through this, I'm going to ask questions that you can answer, hopefully aloud as a class. The next note, is it same, higher, or lower? Hopefully you said same. It is the same. It's on the line. And then we're just moving down by step. La, so, fa, mi. Another step down. Re, re. And that re is 2 beats. If you want to draw an arrow to make sure you keep singing it, remember no breath there. Big jump. We've already sung this note before. Can you find this note in the previous 2 measures somewhere? Or can you count up? If we count up, re, mi, fa, so is the note. So, is this note higher, lower, or the same? That next pitch. It is the same. So, fa, mi, re. So that's your top line. Going on to the bottom, in this song, remember do is in the first space, so we have 2 do's. And that do is 1 note beneath that re, so that makes sense. We're jumping up here. Let's count together. Do on the space. This line would be re. You don't need to write this. This space would be mi. And the line where our note is would be fa. Is the next pitch higher, lower, or the same? The next pitch is the same. And they all move down by steps. So fa, mi, re, do. And then the note underneath do is ti. The next pitch, hopefully you can see, is the same. Then we do have a jump. Ti is a line, and then this note's on a line. So we're skipping do, which would be on this space, and we're going up to re. This note is right above it on mi. Right below it again on re. Make sure you have that line. Going to the bottom of the page, and again, if this video needs to be paused, it can be. Mi, re, do we remember is here, so we did not go to a do, we went back up to mi. Altos, or part 2, people by my desk, you are going back to your own line. I'm going to start with the altos. Altos, this note is do, followed by a do, followed by a, hopefully you said do, and then right underneath it we have 2 T's. T, T, oh my goodness, 3 more T's. Altos, you're singing a harmony. Do, 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 ti, 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 ti. Sopranos, you have a big jump from mi up to la. You sang this same phrase at the top of the page. Those were not the right pitches, but that's okay, the right words. La, la, so, fa, mi, re, re. And again, if you want to draw a line to make sure you sing all the way to that, so, repeated so, fa, mi, re. And if that was too fast, go ahead and pause it. One page left. I'm going to go ahead and turn to this back page. I'm going to stay on the top line, soprano line, or people by the sink or the do. You have a do followed by a do. This is fa. The next pitch is what? Higher, lower, or the same? It's the same, which is fa. And then we move down by steps. Fa, mi, re, do, ti. We skip do and we land on re. Going to get tricky right here. This note is the same, re. This is a natural sign. If you follow this line all the way over to our key signature, there's a flat in the key. The natural can either raise or lower an accidental in your key. Naturals raise flats and lower sharps. So this note, instead of being fa, becomes fi. That is really tricky, and we'll talk about it more later, but just go ahead and write fi. Fi. All right, altos, you have la, la. 3 more las. Ti, skip. Oh my gosh, look. You're in unison, ti with the sopranos. Unison again, re. Unison again. So you're singing the same notes right here. Same notes. But then you go to a do. 2 more lines and you're almost done. And the last line is super easy. It's the same note for the whole thing. So like 1 line really. All right. Here we are. Sopranos just sang fi, which is going to lead them into so. Altos, you sang do, and it led you to ti. In real life, we do not sing from here to here. First time through, we go back to the beginning. Second time through, we skip. We end here, and we actually go straight here. So that's pretty tricky. So you don't ever sing this measure and then this measure. But right now, we are going to solfege them in a row. So this is so, so, so. Sopranos, you are basically done for the song because the bottom of the page is also so. And you can go ahead and just draw a line to make sure you sing all the way through. Altos, you are on a so. It's the octave lower. You jump up to do. And altos, you have a little bit more work to do. Do, ti, which leads us back to do for the whole rest of the song. If you want to freeze it on this page or pause it on this page, make sure everybody has it. I'm going to zoom out so you can see the full page. There we go. It's probably kind of hard to read that, but there you go.